So we are in Dollar Tree, and they're saying they only taking cash. Like, what is going on with the system? Hey, come on. Okay, put it there. Let's go. They only taking come on, cash. Come on. Nope, not right now. I gotta come back when the cards are working. They only taking cash. They only get a few things. Come on, sit down in the freezer real quick. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Head to the back. Always coming to the toy aisle. No. Why do kids do that? And now they want to have all the cool socks. Look. Hold on, all the cool socks. Look at that. Sour Patch, Mountain Dew. They put out the basketball. Oh, they got Top Ramen. Look at that. Cup of noodles. Okay, okay. Dollar Tree come through, come through. They got some butterflies. I'm about to come and get some for the kiddos. I'm trying to see what they got over here quick. I want some ice cream, but since I can't use my card now, I can't get no ice cream because I don't got that many dollars on me. They got a Snickers. Maybe everybody want one of them. Are they $5? Dang, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You know what would be even more worth it?
What?
If we get the cookie duet.
Everybody don't want that. They like the cookie dough. I don't buy cookie dough.
Cookies.
So everybody don't like that one either. So I said just get a regular.
Oh, this kind of cookie dough. It got peanut butter and cookie crumbs.
Hold on, y'all.
Cake. It got cookie and cake crumbs.
How about these right here? Get it says, get the Klondike. Get the Klondike. Everybody like that one. Get it. It's $5. Get it.
Man, nobody want that. I mean,
just grab it. All the way in the back. Not that one.
This one?
Original. Yeah. Then everybody can get one. If they don't want one, that's on them.
Man,
I want some ice cream. Put it in here. So what? $5. Okay. So we got that. Trying to see what we're gonna make with this ground beef. Let's see. They got my rice.
I love this kind.
Then they got chicken flavor. Or Chipotle jasmine. Oh, that one might be good.
Flavor what?
This might be good with the right here. That was chicken, but this one might be good with the oh, that's gonna be spicy. It's Chipotle, but that might be good with some ground beef.
I don't want it.
90 seconds. It's spicy though. Okay, well, what you wanna?
Huh? I already know what I want. I got nothing. And the soda.
Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Okay, y'all. So I am making some chicken pasta. Right now, I am seasoning the meat, and it ended up tasting pretty good. I thought I had a clip of the aftermath, but I don't. But I'm just coming to let y'all know that I am making some chicken pasta with the red sauce, and it turned out amazing. The kids, I ended up making like 2 meals. I made chicken pasta and I made pork chops. So most of them ate the pork chops, some of them ate the pasta. I ended up eating the chicken pasta. That's why I thought I had a clip of it, but sorry for that, y'all. But y'all can just watch me season up this meat and, you know, get this chicken pasta on the road. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the video so far. Your girl about to give y'all some more content. I can't tell y'all exactly what it is because I don't want y'all to be like, okay, where is that content at? Where is the content at? But y'all just stick around. Like I said, give your girl some love. Also, donate to the channel because we need it. We want our channel to grow. And for the ones that is new, welcome. For the ones that's been sticking around with me, thank you so much for rocking with me this whole time. And thank y'all.